We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hello, this is Chris from Onyx. Today we're going to be reviewing the HP LaserJet Pro MFP M227 FDW. We'll be conducting 5 comprehensive tests to evaluate its performance. It's going to be the pages per minute test, the color darkness and font test, overview of the printer's features, a scan test using the glass and the automatic document feeder, or ADF, and then we're going to be doing a wireless printing speed test. Let's start things off with the pages per minute test. We'll have the printer push out as many pages as it can in 1 minute. Alright, impressive. This printer managed to print out 27 pages in just 1 minute, which makes it about average among its competitors. Next up is the color darkness and font test. We'll print a test page with a variety of font sizes and colors to assess the printer's true performance. Alright, as you can see, this printer's color darkness is pretty good, and it handles different font sizes fairly decently. Now let's delve into the features of this printer, and for those of you who are printer enthusiasts, you'll find more details in the description of this video. This printer is a versatile machine that can print, copy, scan, and fax at a speed of about 27 pages per minute. It comes with a 250 sheet input tray and uses one 30A or 30X cartridge and a 32A drum, and is compatible with Windows, Macs, Linux, and Unix operating systems. It also supports mobile printing and has standard USB and Ethernet connectivity. Comes with a 2.7-inch color graphic touchscreen, its ENERGY STAR qualified energy efficiency, and it includes a 1-year unit exchange warranty. Our fourth test involves the scanner. We'll start with the scanner glass. Alright, the scanner completed the task in about 6 seconds, which is pretty great for this printer. Now let's move on to the ADF speed test. Alright, now we're going to start the ADF speed test. The ADF completed the task in about 10 seconds, which is pretty good for this printer. Finally, we'll conduct a wireless printing speed test using the HP Smart app to see how it performs. It's going to be operated by our cameraman behind the scenes. Alright, the printer completed the task in about 14 seconds, which is pretty good for this printer. Alright guys, now it's time for our final thoughts. This printer is a solid choice for both home and office use. It handles everyday tasks with ease, but it lacks some advanced features like a larger screen, newer software, and extra tray compatibility. If you need a heavy-duty printer, we'd recommend stepping up to the HP LaserJet Pro MFP 4101 FDW. However, for home use or light office work, this printer is an excellent choice. Thank you for joining me in this review, and remember, don't get angry, get Onyx.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.